it's Cousin Itt with all his hair. He's doing clown action.
Start by pumping up your 5-inch round black balloon and tie a knot. Make sure the knot is at the very end of the nozzle. So push it all the way to the end because we're going to distribute all the air in the balloon so it's long. So as you can see, it is not a circle, but it is a very long shape. And we're going to turn this into an apple twist. So to do that, we're going to push the nozzle inwards with one finger, and then using your other hand, grab the knot from the outside and twist it. Now just grab a scrap balloon or whatever and tie a knot on the outside. Make it a double knot just to secure it even more. So as you can see, it makes a donut shape. Now we're going to pump up our brown 260 balloon and tie a knot. Make sure to leave an 8cm tail. We're going to start by making a 16cm bubble and then another 16cm bubble and fold them together. Then we're going to make another 16cm bubble back to the other side. Thread it through the middle of the two of the other ones that you already had, and then we're going to make another 16cm bubble back to the other side and just thread it into the bubbles that you already had. So this is to secure it. Then we're going to make another 16cm bubble. Thread it through the other ones. And then one last 16cm bubble back to the other side. And using that knot, wrap it around so it's secure. So as you can see, we now have 6 16cm bubbles all together. Next, we're going to attach the round balloon that we just had into the brown balloons. So we're going to thread one side of the tail from where we tied the knot earlier. And we're just going to thread it through, and then we're going to tie a knot. Make sure it's a double knot so it's secure. And then we're going to hide it inside all of the brown balloons. Next, pump up your 160 black balloon. If you don't have a 160, you can just use a 260. And tie a knot. We're going to make 2 pinch twists. Then what we're going to do is we're going to use this and we're going to wrap it around the bottom of the round balloon. Make a bubble where it ends and then tie it around the pinch twists. So this makes the rim of the hat. Make sure everything is secure and to your liking. Then we're going to cut off the rest of the balloon and tie a knot, but make sure to save it because we need it to make glasses. And to make the glasses, we're going to make a 6cm bubble. Make sure both tails on both sides are long. So we tied that knot, but don't forget to tie the knot that was on the rim of the hat. secure it and just wrap it around. Now to make the glasses, we're going to grab that 6cm bubble and we're going to split it in half. So now we have two 3cm bubbles. What we should also do is just tie a knot on the other end as well, just so the air doesn't slip out. So once again, we're just going to remake that two 3cm bubbles. Pick whichever two brown bubbles that you like the best and that you think looks the best, and we can choose that to be the front. And then we're going to tie around the sunglasses around the two brown bubbles. So as you can see, we picked those two, and so we're just going to tie them around there, and we're just going to tie the knot behind the two of them. Adjust them higher. And the twisting part is complete. We're going to grab a brown marker and we're just going to draw some streaks on the brown bubbles to get a little bit more texture for the hair. We're just going to do it all around the entire thing, or just the front if you like. And your balloon Cousin It is complete.
Because please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you, bye bye.